Kumusta na lahat dyan mga karitim? At ito, gagawa ulit ako ng reaction video sa paborito nating bandang Franz Rhythm. At ang kakantahin nila is Like a Wither. Like a Wither by Natalie Merchant. At nakita ko yung edad ni Natalie pala ngayon, 60 years old na. Matanda na. Hindi naman ganong sumikat tong kantang to, pero maganda rin ang dating, maganda rin ang pakinggan. Tapos lalong maganda pag sila Franz Rhythm ang kakanta. Okay po, umpisa na natin.
Shivering my bones, just thinking about the weather. A quiver in my lips as if I might cry. But by force of will, my lungs have failed, and so I breathe. Lately it seems this big bed is where I never leave. With a shiver in my bones, just thinking about the weather. A quiver in my voice as I cry. But a cold and a rainy day. Where on earth is the sun hid away? I hear the sound by the noon bell chime. Well, I'm far behind. You've put in about half a day while here alive, with a shiver in my bones, just thinking about the weather. A quiver in my voice,
Hindi lang si
I might
Chen.
cry. But a cold and a rainy day.
Isa na ang magkapatid.
Where on earth is the sun hid away?
Galing si Gunda ni Chen.
Do I need someone here to scold me, or do I need someone who'll grab and pull me out of this four-post dull turban, pulling downwards? For it's such a long time since my better day. Say my prayers nightly, this will pass away. The color of the sky is gray as I can see through the blinds. Lift my head from the pillow and then fall again, with a shiver in my bones, just thinking about the weather.
Nasasayaw-sayaw yung dalawa.
Quiver in my voice as if I might cry.
Adil ni Chen.
Cold and a
Buhang-buha.
rainy day. Where on earth is the sun hid away? Cold and a rainy day. I shiver, quiver, I try to wake.
Galing.
correcting.
Galing, 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 galing. Galing mo, Char. Kuhang-kuha mo. Ang galing talaga ng bandang to. Saan ka pa? Hindi nakakasawa pakinggan tong ano, kahit pa ulit-ulit mong pakinggan yung mga kinakover nilang kanta eh. Okay po. Paano sa susunod uli, pero yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ano ko sa channel ko, paki-subscribe na lang, o paki-share na rin. Okay, hanggang sa susunod uli. At bye muna ngayon.